Namaskar. Ramayana as an epic is an eternal source of guidance to mankind about how to live life in a manner such that it benefits society and commits no acts that one lives to regret later. Lord Rama is not the only one whose actions leave an indelible mark on our minds. Almost every person of the Ayodhya royals, that is, the family of Maharaj Dasharath, is steeped in principles. Reading stories from great epic written by sage Valmiki about the principled prince and later king of Ayodhya to children at an impressionable age will give them the perspective and direction in life. If one were to observe closely, Ramayana gives us a number of lessons in ethics. First, family is important. Prince Rama was also said to be anointed the king soon, being the eldest of the four sons of the king of Ayodhya. Yet an otherwise loving stepmother, Kaikeyi, was unnecessarily instigated into obstructing the path to Rama's ascendance. But Lord Rama did not behave bitterly towards anyone, including the stepmother. He kept his father's promise, which he could have easily sidestepped. Father's honor became a question of his own honor. This kind of bonding and positive attachment between members of family can finally make all things come full circle. Second, be careful of temptations. In exile, Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana were living a peaceful existence in harmony with nature. When Lankan king Ravana arrived with his uncle Maricha, whom he asked to pose as a golden deer, that changed everything. Sita was completely charmed by the golden deer and asked Lord Rama to catch it for her to befriend. Lord Rama went after it and disaster struck soon after. The lesson here is to not run after sudden allurements, to value what you have instead of leaping into the unknown. Third, follow instructions, don't alter plans arbitrarily. When Rama went after Maricha, the golden deer, he clearly instructed Lakshmana to watch over well-being of Sita. He warned him to not leave Sita alone even for a moment, come what may. But soon Maricha and Ravana played another card. The golden deer was actually the demon Maricha, uncle of Ravana, who, as per the plan, screamed in Rama's voice, "Save me, Lakshmana." Sita and Lakshmana heard and that, but Lakshmana was not ready to move. Sita cried and asked him to go save her husband. Lakshmana left but drew a Lakshman Rekha, an electrification kind of line beyond which no one can go to her. Sita was told to not overstep that line for whatever the cost. Lakshmana left to know Rama's fate. Here Ravana, dressed in an old stage, arrived and beckoned Sita to step across and give him charity. Sita felt compassion for the old man seeking alms. She stepped across the line and was abducted by the able Ravana. Fourth, Ram Setu showed even the smallest animal matters. Sri Rama's bridge across the sea was built by monkeys and very little human effort. In fact, a squirrel is said to have scurried to the construction with whatever amount of dust she could muster on her back. She added her 2 ounces of effort to the mammoth bridge. Rama is said to have been impressed and caressed her back, giving her strips. Fifth, respect your enemy. With Ravana's death at his hands imminent, Rama had no animosity left for him. The war was for the rescue of Sita, the wife of Rama, whom Ravana was abducted. Despite diplomatic approaches, Ravana had not relented and hence the war. In death, Rama honored his enemy as another human. He was given a proper funeral. Rama had even asked Lakshmana to learn statecraft and spirituality from Ravana. Thank you.